Are you tired of the constant stress over your septic tank? With Septifix, you can finally breathe easy knowing your system is in great hands. Imagine a life where foul odors are just a distant memory, where clogs don't plague your home anymore. Septifix opens the door to that reality, providing homeowners with a powerful solution to septic tank chaos. With each tablet, you're not just maintaining your septic system, you're revolutionizing it. John C's story illustrates the drastic transformation. His once problematic tank returned to a state of efficiency, letting his family enjoy the garden's beauty once more. Meanwhile, Kathy M. discovered Septifix after facing the challenges of a home without sewer access, proving its versatility. The benefits ripple through the community as more discover the wonders of Septifix, saving both money and anxiety. Imagine never having to schedule costly pump-outs again or contend with embarrassing odors. Your neighbors will wonder how you maintain such a serene environment. The secret? It's effortless, simple, and effective. Just drop a tablet in and flush away your troubles. With the time-limited 50% discount, now is the perfect moment to explore the Septifix experience. Stop settling for mediocre solutions that don't get the job done. It's time to elevate your septic system. Are you ready to join countless satisfied users? Click the link now and welcome the ease of Septifix into your home. Your septic tank deserves the leading edge in maintenance, and Septifix is here to provide it. With Septifix, you transform the narrative of septic maintenance from a daunting task into a simple act of self-care. The ease of use isn't just a selling point, it's at the very heart of its success. Homeowners have embraced this innovative treatment, delighting in the newfound freedom from odors and clogs. Each tablet is more than a solution, it's a promise for long-term health. Picture peaceful weekends without the dread of plumbing emergencies looming overhead. As Septifix continues to change lives, it encourages us all to take a proactive approach to our septic systems. Why wait any longer? Make the smart choice today and prioritize the well-being of your home, family, and the environment. Septifix isn't just about convenience, it's about transforming your home's environment. With every tablet, you're investing in a healthier, odor-free space while minimizing the risk of future clogs. Join the movement today. Every day, more homeowners are reclaiming their living spaces with Septifix, experiencing the remarkable benefits firsthand. With Septifix, your septic system becomes a source of pride rather than a burden, transforming your home into a haven of peace and cleanliness. It's time to take the leap toward a better septic experience. Choose Septifix and embrace a future free from worry and hassle.